Changing the phone number on your Kraken account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Kraken website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to your current phone number for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon or the settings menu. Look for the section labeled account or profile. Step 3. Select phone number. In the account settings, find the option for phone number or two-factor authentication. Click on this option to begin the process of changing your phone number. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Enter new phone number. After verification, enter your new phone number in the designated field. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy before saving the changes. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number on your Kraken account will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kraken support for assistance.